So, you're probably wondering, Roy, what the actual are you doing? What are you doing here on this very abnormally large table? And what did I see in the thumbnail? And what did I see in the title? Well, folks, this is what you saw on both of those in red. And this is what you see now. Still there? Nice. Yup. I cannot see you whatsoever. Which is, yeah. Welcome to the Roy Burnham Show, folks. I'm your host, Roy Burnham. It's kind of obvious. And what we have here is a Mos Eisley Cantina set number 75290 with 3,187 pieces. With 21 minifigures, am I correct? I don't want to count. One, two. Sorry. Yep, 21. I was right. So we have 21 figures of the UCS. Do we really consider it as a UCS, folks? Master Builder Series. Let's just call that Master Builder Series. Yep. It's right there. Cantina Mos Eisley. Sorry, wrong. Yeah, you get the gist. Mos Eisley Cantina in the corner, right here. Let's go. Flipping over the back. I can still see nothing. Ooh, the front looks nice. I like the do-back. So we got it like the bar opens up. You can take the roof off, you know. There's like some things from the movies, from the New Hope. Like here's the scene, and you can also recreate the scene. Here's the bar. You know, there's all these things that I can get to, but I'm not. You can see looking good and open up. There's a Jawa place, a market or whatever, a bunch of things, a bunch of little details. Where's the... So, yeah. So, yeah. I just said so, yeah, twice. I don't know. So, yeah. What are you gonna do about it? Let's guess how many bags this is. I definitely didn't. 20 bags. I don't know. Let's find. Oh God. Where are the scissors? They're somewhere down here. I swear I had scissors here before. They might be back there. Just so you know, my YouTube channel has gone offline for a little bit, so I did this with no time lapse. Yeah, I've already opened it. It's already complete. Sorry, but my YouTube channel wasn't working for some time, but then now it finally works. Okay. So skip this preview. 5 hours, 57 minutes. Let's go. Sharp butt cheek. No, don't. No, cut that out. I hate you. I hate you, computer. Where are the scissors? Okay, they might be upstairs. Hold, please. I'm back, and I have scissors. Run. Wow. Let's open this thing up. Where's the opening thing? I found it. Oh, now we get a little preview of it on the side. Yay. Be precise. Ah! Be precise. Be elegant with it. Die. There we go, one. That's unusual. There's 3 instead of the normal 2. Very strange. Scissors aside. The things that are gonna come out of this box. Get ready, because I haven't seen yet. Nothing. I love nothing. Get out of here. There's something blocked. Oh. Well, that's new. It's a box. Oh, that's a tip spot. Or maybe everything just comes on its own. Oh, great. Are there more back? Oh no, the camera. There's more tape. I love tape. That's one. And that's no more. All right.
I want to be nice with you, but if I had to doodle.
I wonder what's in here. Now, was that really necessary to put more bags in here in this giant box? The truth is, it really wasn't necessary. But you know what? Anyways. Ooh, that's a staple. Why is there a staple on my floor? Yay, we got a do bag. It's smaller than I thought. That'd be bigger. It's still a do bag. Yeah. Sophia's got 14 bags. 14 bags, folks. That's 14. Nope, we have 15 bags. 15 bags. I mean 18 bags, sorry. And that appears to be all. 18 bags. Oh man. That was the closest guess to anyone's guess. Let's open up this very sealed manual. Ooh, this is so nice. And there's stickers. Well, we're gonna end it here. There's stickers, so yeah, you know what I'm going with. I'm just kidding. Uh-oh. That is the thickest manual book I ever seen in my life. I like the I like the dark effect. Dark mode. Ooh, fancy. Well, that's new. Oh, the page. Oh, okay. You know how there's always a page in the pages in the back with the pieces. There's one page with the pieces. There's 2 more pages with the pieces. There's another 2 more pages with the pieces, and that's it. That's all. Let's see how much we got here. 401 pages? I'm in for a ride. Let's put the scissors on the ground so I can step on them later. Don't ask why. Questions only lead to confusion. So, let's open up the Let's open up the manual. So I do a time lapse for this. Obviously, you can see. Oh, look, that's nice. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's like a scene. It's the scene from A New Hope. Where that one guy picks on Luke for no reason. It's like, I don't like you. Well, that's cool. I don't care. That was random. And they got some quotes and some things from like the movies. Oh wow. It goes on for quite a bit, doesn't it? It's, look at that. It's still going. It's still going. Yep. So I do a timer for this, but I only start the timer when we actually get to the building part. So I can just open it up, and I can open up the first bag. But then, as soon as I start building, I need to start the timer, you know, and start the time lapse at the same time. But the thing is, I need to find the first bag. It's been 5 minutes. I'm starting to question now. Does the first bag even really exist? Could you shut up? I found it! How long has it been? Anything else? No? Good. I don't care. Let's open it up. I don't even know where I'm at. Back, you animals! So, the manual's gonna go here. Sticker palette, I guess, can go here. First bag, everything I'm working on. Due back gets to watch. Don't question. Question only leads to confusion. And that won't matter, right? Oh, there's no time to waste. Let's get a move on. I just forgot. Is everything alright over there? I'm sure they're fine. Empty bags are really empty. Anything goes over here. Well, barren wasteland of the world. Now we can actually start it. It's been so many months. But don't worry. We're here now. And here we have it, finally, after a thousand years. After a long 16 hours and 48 minutes. Actually 38, sorry. 38 minutes. I finally completed this entire thing. As you can see, we got a spaceship here. Up in the cockpit. As so. Reveal this. Next, we have Greedo's spaceship. Open it like so. Reveal this. Next, we got these slidey door things. The junk shop. Open this up. Reveal what was inside. You know. And open this house up. Reveal what's inside as well. And reveal this roof. Ooh. And just a quick second as I put the phone down to open this thing up. So yeah, here's the inside of this. What you looking at? Here's the inside of the little shop thing. We got binoculars up here, some thing and other thing, broom, door open, door close, all those good things. We got this Jawa here. There's this thing with these like little things in the front, up top, and I already showed you that. And it definitely hasn't been 4 months since I last recorded that last little segment. Definitely, no. Then there's this Bosch looking guy. I forget the species. And then there's this guy riding on the top, riding this thing. You know, I already showed you that. And I already showed you Greedo's spaceship right over here. And inside we have a little scene going on. We have him and him. You know, his arm was chopped off in the movie. So his arm was chopped off here. There's Luke. There's Obi-Wan Kenobi. You know, there's a little scene going on here. Here's the bartender. Barring the tend. And here is the stormtrooper who is going to shoot Luke. And here's the Mos Eisley Cantina inside. Well, let me just pop this off. This is the Mos Eisley Cantina. Band. Here's this guy running for the door. And it's like opening. Well, it's supposed to be opening. Like it slightly. Here's that Imperial spy back here. You know, from the movie. Only 40 seconds of screen time. Here's Han Solo and Greedo about to duke it out until they see what's happening over here. Here's a stormtrooper guy. Another one on his little dewback, which is supposed to be outside. I don't know what happened. Here's R2-D2 and here's C-3PO looking at the stormtrooper, which is supposed to be like here. Supposed to be riding it or whatever. Yay! Anyways, here's some moisture farms in the corners. Let's open this up. I also forgot to mention Chewbacca back here. You know, he's just there. Since he was talking to Obi-Wan Kenobi before this happened. Anyways, you can see like the little rooms inside. And then there's the Sith in the dark corner. Over here, if you open this up, you actually see like the thing that scans the droids to alert the bartender, no droids. I think there's like something else in here. A poster, perhaps? Who's that outside? That says Cantina, by the way. But anyways, here's the actual bar. Very detailed and the very last detail. There's some drawers over there. Everything else, the Cantina band playing their like on the little like platform. Some chairs, and then here's like the closet room for the bartender, Owen, I think. Can't be Owen, right? Well, those are all 21 minifigures that I've showed you so far. And there's like a poster about like showing C-3PO and R2-D2 wanted. I can't find it though. I don't know where it went, but oh yeah, it's right there. Wanted. We got some compartments over here about something. Yes, very indeed. There's some like things in here. Or it's just one thing, it's a wrench. You're not supposed to be here. And finally we have, let's see, what do we have finally left? Oh yeah, there's that thing. It's supposed to be on here. Finally we have the dewback center with the little bone and the water to keep the dewback in. It's like this little cage. Park your dewback here instead of a car. And then there's the dewback, my favorite. You can either put on a saddle for him, or you can put on that thing, which just makes him look wild. So hard to take this off. It kind of broke a little bit. And he's wild now. It doesn't look perfect, but whatever. Be free! And there we have it. The entire set. And so you can just like click it, you can separate it like this. Hold up. You can just separate it. You can take off the roofs for all of these, even the corner ones like this. There's a separating thing that could separate it. You know, I'm just breaking it. So yeah, and then you can pop this like roof thing on. Kind of hard to separate these things. And then boom, it's complete. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more of this, I don't care what you do. I'm still gonna do it either way. So goodbye. Yeah, there we go. Just come back together. They could just come back together. It's really hard to since I have like a minifigure there or something.